Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we are on page 71 of your probability notes. And the question we're doing on this video, question number 9, tells me that I have 6 men, 2 Democrats, 3 Republicans, and 1 independent, and then 8 women, 3 Democrats, 4 Republicans, and 1 independent. How many ways could we? So look at choice A, or part A. How many ways could we pick a female president and a male vice president? Well, the fundamental counting principle would be perfect here. We are performing 2 acts, so to speak. Act 1 is to pick a female president. Well, we have 8 women. So there are 8 ways to pick a female president. And a male vice president, we have 6 men. Fundamental counting principle tells us to multiply 6 times 8 to get 48. Okay, part B. How many ways can we line up 4 Republicans? Line up, pretty much indicates order, so we're filling in 4 slots with the fundamental counting principle. Now let's see how many Republicans we have, okay? We have 3 Republicans from the first group, and we have 4 Republicans from the second group. So we have a total of 7 Republicans, and we want to line them up. So it's going to be like, spot 1, spot 2, spot 3, and spot 4. They're lining up. How many ways could we fill this first spot? Well, the 3 plus 4 is 7. There's 7 ways. Once that slot's filled, there are 6 ways here, 5 ways here, and 4 ways here. So 7 times 6 times 5 times 4. Handy dandy calculator. Clear it. 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 equals, and that would come out to 840 ways. All right. Okay, we are trying to pick a 5-person committee, and it has to consist of 2 Democrats, 2 Republicans, and 1 independent. So let's figure out how many ways we can do the Democrats, how many ways we can do the Republicans, and how many ways we can pick the independents, okay? Now, it's a 5-person committee, and we need 2 Democrats. So let's see. We have 2 Democrats here and 3 here, so we have a total of 5 Democrats. So here's what we have. There are 5 Democrats total. That number goes in the front, and we're picking groups of 2, committees of 2. Okay, how many Republicans do we have? Well, let's see. I have 3 here and 4 here, so I have 7 Republicans total to choose from, but I want to select 2. Okay? 5 Democrats picking 2. 7 Republicans picking 2. How many independents do I have? 1 and 1, so I have 2 independents. Okay, I have 2 independents, and 1 has to be on the committee. So notice back here, the 2 plus the 2 plus the 1 add up to the 5-person committee. We had to fill the Democratic part, the Republican part, and the independent part. Now remember, I taught you how to do these on your calculator. Okay, I taught both types of calculators. I'm just going to review quickly on this one for right now. Let me clear what we've got. Okay, so if I'm trying to figure out 5C2, I'm going to hit the 5 first, okay? Then I'm going to hit the probability key. I'm going to pick option 2 because that's the combinations, which is what we use for committees, because order doesn't matter on a committee. And 2, and then I hit enter. So there are 10 ways to do that. All right, now we have to do it again. This time I'm going to start with a 7. Then I'm going to hit the probability key. I'm going to pick option 2 for combinations, which is to use for committees. I'm going to put in a 2. I'm going to hit enter, and we're going to get 21. Okay? And then the last one we're going to do is I'm going to put a 2. I'm going to go to the probability key. I'm going to pick option 2, and then I'm going to type in a 1 and hit enter. And there are 2 ways to do that. And now we finish by doing 10 times 21 times 2, and we get an answer of 420. Okay, now I will be doing the next 2 parts of this question on the next video because I don't like each video to go too long. This is already 6 minutes. So this is problem number 9, parts A, B, and C.